Hi guys, it's me. You know how sometimes you feel so drained and exhausted that it feels like you have no energy at all? But then other times, you're bursting with vitality. Your mind is sharp and clear, and you're ready to take on the world. Well, did you know that your gut has a lot to do with your energy levels? And the key to unlocking your full potential may lie in some simple fermented foods. When it comes to boosting our energy levels, we often think about things like coffee, Red Bull, or other energy drinks, right? We might also consider exercise or just getting enough sleep. But what if there was something else that could help us tap into our natural energy reserves? Something that could help us feel more energized, focused, and overall better. Well, it turns out that there are certain foods that can make a big difference when it comes to our energy levels. And one of the best things that you can do for yourself is to start eating more fermented foods. So get ready to discover the secret weapon that can help you unlock your full potential and feel amazing every single day. You see, food is not just about calories and nutrients. It's also about the energy that's contained within. Every bite of food that we eat contains a certain amount of energy that our body can either absorb and utilize or waste. When we eat processed or unhealthy foods, they don't contain much life force energy, and our bodies have a hard time absorbing the nutrition from them. This can leave us feeling sluggish, tired, and drained. However, there are certain types of foods, particularly fermented foods, that are packed with a special kind of energy that can really make a difference. You see, fermented foods are made through a natural process that involves beneficial bacteria and other microorganisms. This process not only makes the food more delicious and easier to digest, but it also infuses it with a unique form of energy. Now, you might be thinking, great, doctor, but what does this actually mean for me? Well, let me tell you. It means that by incorporating fermented foods into your diet, you can tap into a new level of energy that you never thought possible. No more sluggishness, no more fatigue, just pure, raw vitality. Now I bet you were wondering, what exactly are these magical fermented foods that can work wonders for my energy levels? Well, here are 5 fantastic options to get you started. 1. Kimchi. Now, if you haven't heard of kimchi, it's a Korean dish made of vegetables, most commonly cabbage, and radish that are fermented with garlic, chili powder, and salt. Not only does kimchi look amazing with its vibrant pink color, but it also packs a punch when it comes to flavor. The fermentation process breaks down the tough fibers in the vegetables, making them easier to digest and absorb, which means that your body gets more nourishment from every bite. Plus, the probiotics and antioxidants in kimchi can help boost your immune system and reduce inflammation. The result? You feel great from the inside out. 2. Sauerkraut. Now, sauerkraut is a type of fermented cabbage that originated in Germany. It has a sour, tangy flavor and a crunchy texture that adds a delightful crunch to any meal. But that's not all. Sauerkraut is also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's loaded with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and aid digestion. These little bacteria work hard to break down food and absorb nutrients, leaving you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. 3. Miso. Now, miso is a traditional Japanese condiment made from soybeans that have been fermented with salt and a fungus called Aspergillus oryzae. It has a rich, savory flavor and a thick paste-like consistency that's perfect for adding depth and complexity to soups, stir-fries, and marinades. But that's not all. Miso is also a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. It's also loaded with probiotics and antioxidants that support gut health and reduce inflammation. So next time you're looking to add a little something extra to your meal, try miso. You won't regret it. 4. Kombucha. Now, kombucha is a fermented tea drink that's slightly fizzy and has a sweet, tangy flavor. It's made by adding beneficial bacteria and yeast to tea and sugar, which ferments for weeks to give it its unique taste and health benefits. Kombucha is a great source of probiotics, antioxidants, and vitamins. It also has a natural caffeine content, which gives you a cleaner energy boost without the jitters that you might experience from coffee. And no, 5 tempeh. Now tempeh is a type of fermented soybean cake that originated in Indonesia. It has a firm texture and a nutty flavor that makes it perfect for grilling, stir-frying, or even baking. Tempeh is a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids and is also high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's also a good source of probiotics and antioxidants that support gut health and reduce inflammation. Plus, tempeh is versatile enough to be used in a variety of dishes, so you'll never get bored of it. I recommend that you start by adding 1 serving of fermented foods to your daily diet and gradually work your way up to 3 or more servings per day. It's important to note that the key to reaping the benefits of fermented foods is to choose high-quality products that are free from additives and preservatives. Look for brands that use organic ingredients and traditional fermentation methods. You can find many of these amazing fermented foods at your local Asian grocery store or online. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you will be giving your body a natural energy boost that will keep you feeling revitalized and ready to tackle anything. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. So don't go overboard with these foods, but rather enjoy them as part of a well-rounded diet. Your body will thank you for it. I've seen firsthand the incredible impact that fermented foods can have on people's lives. Many of my patients have reported increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a general sense of well-being since incorporating these foods into their diets. It's truly amazing to witness. For example, one patient who is struggling with low energy and digestive issues was feeling so much better after just a few weeks of eating kimchi and sauerkraut regularly. Another patient who was dealing with anxiety and stress found that drinking kombucha helped calm her mind and relax her body. It's stories like these that inspire me to continue sharing the benefits of functional foods with others. In fact, I am so passionate about this topic that I even wrote a book called Fermented Vegetables for Healthier Living, where I share over 100 delicious recipes and fascinating insights into the world of fermented foods. The response has been incredible, with readers from all over the world sharing their positive experiences with fermented foods. It's clear that there's a growing interest in natural, wholesome foods that can improve our health and well-being. And fermented foods are at the forefront of this movement. People are becoming more aware of the importance of gut health and the role it plays in our overall health, and are looking for ways to support their gut health through their diet. Fermented foods are an excellent way to do just that. The best part is that fermented foods are not only good for our gut health, but they're also delicious and easy to incorporate into any diet. They add a unique, tangy flavor and crunchy texture to any meal, and can be enjoyed by people of all ages. I'm so excited to see how people from all over the world are embracing fermented foods and reaping the amazing benefits they have to offer. Whether you're a longtime fan of fermented foods or are just starting to explore the world of kimchi, kombucha, and sauerkraut, I encourage you to keep learning, experimenting, and sharing your experiences with others. Together, we can spread the word about the amazing power of fermented foods and help others unlock their full potential through nutrition. So, I want to ask you, have you tried any of these fermented foods? How do you incorporate them into your diet? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on how to improve your energy levels and overall health, make sure to subscribe for more updates. I've got plenty more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.